Hello, and welcome back to A View from Rounds Tower. Today we're outside of Hyde Hall, and we're going to go take a look inside and check out the latest updates on the renovation. Come join me. Hyde Hall was first opened in 1976, and it was named for our 10th president, Dr. Harold E. Hyde. And it's the home of our School of Business. And business is the largest major we have here at Plymouth State. About a third of our students are studying. And as you can see, as they're just getting out of class right now, they're making their way from one class to another in our newly renovated space, which is pretty awesome. So our classrooms have been totally renovated. There's new technology in all of them. We've replaced all the windows. All the things behind the walls have been changed, upgraded to accommodate our new heat, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Obviously, all of our new technology pieces too. So a lot of stuff that you can't see, but there's some really cool stuff, as you can see as we walk around Hyde Hall and check things out that are making this really state-of-the-art. So our students are really excited about it. We're hoping to hear a little bit about their space from them. We'll chat with them next.
The new addition of all the new breakout rooms on all of the floors is a great new resource to be able to work with our groups and teams for all of our new business assignments.
Coming back from winter break as a marketing student, seeing Hyde Hall completely finished with all the refurbished rooms was really awesome to come back to. This is easily the building I spend the most time in here at PSU, so being able to come in here and see all the new stuff is really great.
The new Hyde building feels like very on brand with PSU and very professional.
As a member of the sales team and sales club, this will be a great resource for us to utilize, and I'm excited for the new students to get to experience it all 4 years.
I'm standing here outside of Hyde Hall to let you know about another opportunity to get involved with our Hyde Hall renovation campaign, and that is through our paver campaign. So with your gift of $500 or $1,000, you can get your very own paver that will be installed here right outside of Hyde Hall with your own inscription that can honor professors, loved ones, or celebrate your time here at Plymouth State University. The best part about all of this is that the funds for this project go directly back into the Hyde Hall renovation and help students for generations to come. We hope you'll join us for this great opportunity to leave a lasting mark on campus. Thank you so much for viewing this week's episode.